Amazon sellers, did you know that 60% of your potential annual revenue drops in Q4? Are you ready to grab it for yourself? Or are you going to watch your competitors walk away with your well-deserved cash?
No.
Q4 of the year is a 3-month cash tsunami, but imagine watching your competitor outsell you 10-1 while you're still testing keywords. Everyone says run ads in Q4. We say stop until you fix this first. The first thing we want to do is identify the problem. Is you don't have every high intent holiday specific keyword in your ads. You're tweaking listings, but last minute before Black Friday, too little too late. You're drowning in data sources without one clear system. Now that stops today. See, everyone's teaching random hacks, but we've built a system, the exact workflow that we use for our $1 million clients to dominate high intent keywords before the rush even begins. Introducing the Q4 Keyword Domination System. That is a 4-step blueprint to find, stack, and deploy every single keyword that your buyer types in when they're ready to buy. Now, if you haven't watched our videos before, I'm Andy. I'm the founder of AdHabit. We help e-commerce brands scale profitably on Amazon through data-driven PPC, brand strategy, and hands-on account management. In short, we make Amazon ads print money instead of burning the money. Brands using this entire system, the keyword domination, as well as all of the tools we recommend, they hit home runs and dominate the most competitive keywords on Q4. We want visibility, clickability, convertibility. Our focus in this video is visibility, and here's why. If you have a decent click-through rate and conversion rate, you just need to increase your visibility this holiday season. During this period, we not only have high demand, but a high demand with more buyer intent. That means conversion rates are going to be higher. Yeah, you might pay more per click, but you're going to sell more often. So if you show up more, you get more clicks and you convert more. Let's take a look at a couple of the brands we've helped, and you can clearly see what happens when you get the basics right in Q4. So let's jump right into the thick of it. Now, if you could look right here at the screen, one of our clients had a problem. They were a premium patented product stuck at $46,000 a month, selling $23 when the market average was $16. They thought they'd hit their ceiling. They had already maxed out, tested pricing, and still couldn't grow. Now, these are some quick results that we've seen here. Now, just with some keyword optimization, listing optimization, this helped them jump up and start to do $75,000. They didn't just break their ceiling, they shattered it. In Q4 2024, their monthly revenue jumped to over $75,000 with the same single product, same market, new visibility. But you can see what the profitability was. The second row, the top was the revenue, the second line was the profitability. That's why we're all in business. That is what we care about. So they were able to really jump up the revenue and jump up the profitability as well. This is another client of ours. They were selling a beautiful product in a brutal market dominated by branded competitors, but they weren't getting a lot of profit. What we want to do is we jumped in, applied our system, did the complete keyword research, and jumped in, fully optimized their listing. We got Amazon's algorithm to actually recognize the keywords they were going after, push the product in front of those competitors, and in collaboration with our advertising, we really jumped up revenue and profitability as well. Their conversion rate jumped from a 17.5% to over 22%. Their organic rank exploded, jumping from an overall ranking of 100 all the way down to 57. That's just what, one of our tools likes to score things on. So if we look, they give us a complete score, but we're tracking that organic rank on a daily basis. So when we're comparing that data with our PPC data, with any of the spend we're pushing towards some of those keywords, we could really see the difference on a day-to-day basis. Now you can see here some of the results that client got. You see they were doing around 16,000 a month. November jumped to 30, December jumped to 40, and this year this is last year's numbers. This year we're hoping to hit about 100,000 just in December alone, and their profitability is much more than it was last year with the tweaks we've done throughout the year, preparing for Q4. Don't wait for it to happen. Prepare, plan, target the right keywords. And we're tracking all these numbers with our tool we like to use, Scale Insights. We use this for all of our clients. We train other brands on how to use it, and we love the tool. We couldn't recommend it a month. It helps us track every single metric that we need to track on Amazon. Now here's an overview of the process we use to help our clients dominate. Step 1, we do multiple keyword research sources. We don't just rely on one system, we use them all. Most sellers rely on 1 or 2 keyword tools, and that's where they lose. Our system pulls from 7 different keyword sources, both third-party tools and Amazon first-party data. Things like Search Query Performance Report, Top Search Terms, and Product Opportunity Explorer. If you have your brand registry done on Amazon, you have access to all those tools. Then we stack them with our Q4 peak season hack to find holiday-only keywords, even if you weren't selling last year. Think of this like we're not just looking for keywords people search for, we're finding the ones they buy from. And what we do then is we compile everything into one master keyword list. You've got all these keyword sources, but now you've got 10,000 rows of chaos. That's where we run everything through FBA Excel Keyword Dominator. It compiles and merges all the data, removes duplicates, and gives you one clean, unified master list that you could actually use. One sheet, no clutter, just pure keyword gold. Now, not every keyword is equal. Some convert and some just waste ad spend. So we assign a priority to every single keyword based on the relevance, intent, historical performance, convertibility, and the Q4 relevance. The result, you instantly know what goes into your listing, what to target with PPC, and what to ignore. When Q4 hits, you're not just guessing, you're executing with precision. Now, the next step is going to be the SEO optimization and listing copy. This is where everything comes together. Once you've got your prioritized keywords, we rewrite your listing for maximum visibility and ranking power. Every keyword goes exactly where it matters: the title, the bullet points, your backend, A+ content. And we do it in a way that Amazon's new AI, Rufus and Cosmo, love to read and reward. Because the algorithm has changed, if your copy isn't optimized for both humans and AI, you are invisible. And that is the 4-step foundation of our Q4 Keyword Domination System. You find everything, you compile it, you prioritize it, you optimize it. Do that right and you will win Q4 before your competitors even realize what hit them. Now, if you're still guessing your Q4 keywords on the last day, you're already behind. Most sellers wait. The winners do not. We're giving you the exact system we use for the clients that pay us inside of our agency. Now, this is not just a checklist. It's a complete Q4 Keyword Domination Masterclass, a step-by-step walkthrough where we show you exactly how to pull, how to compile, and how to prioritize every keyword that matters for your product. Now, this is free for a limited time. We want to help as many people as we can. We want to prioritize our loyal fans, but our current clients do pay for this. So we're going to give it away for a limited time, and it's for serious sellers only, people who actually want to execute and not just watch a video and put it on their to-do list for later. So if you're ready, stop guessing and start dominating Q4. Hit the link in the description, grab your free access, and get inside the masterclass now, because execution beats information every single time. We are going to see you in the next video. I hope you downloaded our guide and put this into action. Please leave a comment if you have any trouble with it, and please let me know how well this works for you in this Q4. Good luck.